Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna focus on IQOO Z6 5G, which is a budget phone with promising specifications to compete with various models from Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme and Poco. These problems were experienced by a few of my friends who asked me to make a video to help others with a possible solution. So let's start the video and see the hanging, lagging and heating problem present on some IQOO Z6 phones after the latest software update. The first problem on the phone is the hanging problem. This happens usually when many demanding apps are running, like when Facebook and Instagram were running in background when you are playing games like bgmi. By the way, if you're new to my channel, you can consider subscribing to my channel to get more videos on problems of various phone models that no other YouTube phone reviewer talks about on. Now on coming back to the hang problem, this problem should not be present on a phone having Snapdragon 695 processor, that too when IQOO is giving huge promises on how the processor is going to give us a good experience. But no matter what the paper specifications are, the phone hang lasts until the phone is force restarted. The second problem on the phone is lagging issue when display refresh rate is set to 120Hz. This lagging usually occurs when multiple apps are running in the background. The visible lag while scrolling puts a serious question on the advertised 120Hz refresh rate capable display. The lag goes away once the phone is restarted. The third problem on IQOO Z6 is the heating issue on the phone after playing games for some time. This issue was not present on the phone before the update, and this is an example of how an update can mess up the cooling system of a phone. So now the advertised 5-layer liquid cooling system of IQOO Z6 turns out to be a complete joke. Now the only benefit with the phone is that we can use it for cooking things on the go after playing games for some time. Now I'll give some brief information on other features of the phone to give a final verdict on whether the phone is good or not. Starting with the display on IQOO Z6, the phone has a 6.58-inch IPS LCD panel with 1080x2408 pixel resolution and a refresh rate that can be set to 60, 90 or 120Hz. The only plus point of this LCD display is that it will never cause screen burns as in case of AMOLED displays. Coming to the hardware section, the phone has a Snapdragon 695 octa-core processor with 5G capability, an Adreno 619 GPU, and comes with either 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM. But these specifications remain on paper as the phone have serious hanging and lagging problems. Coming to the camera section, we have a 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. The point to note is that there is no wide angle camera. The cameras are miserable and I won't recommend using this phone as a camera phone. Finally, I'll say that IQOO Z6 is having better specifications than all other models from Samsung, Xiaomi and Realme in the same price segment, but the specifications by itself cannot ensure performance. Hence, I'll recommend you to buy this phone only if you are in urgent need of a phone. Otherwise, you can wait for some more time and see whether a better phone model comes out or not. If you have any doubts, questions or anything else to say, please feel free to use the comment section till you are satisfied. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to my channel, as it is really motivating for me and I'm really grateful to you for this. Bye and have a great day.